And yeah, we're finally at 1000 subscribers. And how did I do it? First of all, welcome into the channel. I'm Samuel TECHLENSIVE. And yes, we've gotten to 1000 subscribers. Thank you for everybody that has subscribed. But how did I get to 1000 subscribers? I'm going to be explaining this in details. So just sit chill with me. Now, these 1000 subscribers were gotten in different ways. And yes, my plan while opening this YouTube channel was to get to 1000 subscribers at least and 4000 watch hours. That is, get the channel monetized in my niche. And yes, I'm trying my best. Yes, pushing out videos and doing the best I can as a content creator that posts long form videos for YouTube, my YouTube channel, and then short form videos for my other social media platforms, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and yes, Facebook. The journey of 1000 miles starts with a step, and the first step I took was to open TECHLENSIVE, this channel that you're watching me on the 1st of July, and I posted my video. And the first video I posted, I did not get any subscriber. I think 2 days later, I had my first subscriber. A big shout out to Fantastic Anime. Yes, he was the first subscriber I had on this channel. And yes, after then, he motivated me to continue posting videos. And then I posted one other video which went viral, which was how to get CapCut Pro for free. And the video actually did well. It got 10,000 views, which I'll call a very, very viral video for me. On YouTube, it was like a breakthrough video. And yes, after that, I kept on posting videos that had a couple of 100 views, 1000 views. And yes, it was not actually giving me what I wanted. What I actually wanted was to get to 1000 subscribers. I put in a mixture of the shortcut and also the long cut. Now, how do I mean the shortcut and the long cut? I added restream and posting my normal videos. Now, if you watch YouTube and the tutorials that are posted on YouTube on how you can be able to get 4000 watch hour and 1000 subscribers quickly, you would hear a lot about Restream, but maybe I would focus on Restream in another video and how you can be able to get videos to post on your Restream that will get you 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hour. But what I wanted to achieve was I wanted to go through the back corner of using Restream, but still also get subscribers that will subscribe to my channel because of me. Now, if you use Restream to stream your videos or to get all your subscribers, depending on the video that you post, the subscribers that you get would actually not watch your video, which is a disadvantage. You would actually get 4000 watch hour quickly, and you also get your 1000 subscribers quickly. But the people that you get that will be subscribed to your channel would likely not be watching your videos. You might likely have 10,000 subscribers, or let's say 100,000 subscribers. The one that I've seen, maybe I'll not post it here, 100,000 subscribers, and you'll be getting 50 something views. Look at the ratio. Like, it's a lot. The difference is a lot. So what I did was I added Restream, and after I finished doing a Restream video, most of the times I usually come on my own live stream with my actual face and then connect with some people on the live stream and tell them that I've posted a video. And after that too, I also post long form videos because I just want my channel to be more of the long form video channel. So mostly when I do this, I get people watch my videos. I get some people watch my live stream. Some people that also actually watch my normal videos also come on my live stream. And not mainly using Restream, the live stream will be a loop. And yes, as I said, I will talk about it in another video. So the first live stream I did with Restream, it did not actually do well. You will see it on the screen. It got a couple of 100 views. And it discouraged me for a while, but I still kept on posting my normal videos. Now, the second thing I did was I had to go live again. But this time around, I had to go live with an ASMR video. But to still have the connection with people, I went live and I added my face to the ASMR video. So some people connected because of my face that they saw, and some people connected because of the ASMR videos that they saw. Now, this is where the disadvantage comes. People that subscribe for the ASMR videos might not likely be interested in your normal videos, you get? So if you post a video, they might likely not watch. But people that subscribe because of you, they will watch your videos because of you. So on the 2 occasions where I did the long live stream, I got a couple, either 150 subscribers from the first live stream, and I think another 150 or 200 and something subscribers from the second live stream, which the first one I got 55,000 views from the first live stream that I would say went well, and then the second live stream got around 96,000 views, 96,000 views. Now, this 96,000 views gave me a whole load of watch hours. You get, it gave me more than the usual watch hour I get on my normal videos. You get, so if you want to get to 1,000 subscribers quickly, you just have a channel, you do not mind, you just want to get it monetized, you want to post anything there, you can just use Restream and post your videos, and that will be all. Now, aside from Restream, another method which I used to get subscribers was whenever I posted my videos here, I share it to my friends, and they also sometimes share it to their friends, which actually, if they are interested, they get to watch my videos. I share it to all my other social media platforms, more especially my Instagram. And yeah, if you're not following me on my Instagram, do well to go to my Instagram, go to the link in my bio, go to the link in the description, and hit the follow button so that we can be able to connect. So I share it on my Instagram story, and sometimes I usually create short videos for it so that it will redirect people to my YouTube. And sometimes, I will not say 100%, at times they usually connect, and at times they usually do not connect. The main thing was being consistent. But now that I've gotten to 1,000 subscribers, let's see how it goes. Between now and the 1st of July, we are heading forward to hitting 4,000 watch hour. As of now, I should be around 1,400 and something watch hour thereabouts. Again, but we want to hit 4,000 watch hours so that we'll get the channel monetized and keep on posting more videos. And I think to do this, to achieve this, I'll still use the method that I've always been using, which is posting my normal videos and also using Restream. You get the both of them, it doesn't hurt. A little this, a little that, so that we'll be able to get the channel monetized. And yes, if you've watched to this extent, do well to hit the subscribe button, like, and share this to your friends that want to start YouTube or that want to join the video editing trend. Do well to leave your comment on the comment section if you have any comments or any question for me. I would always and definitely answer them. And with that, thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. If you've seen my video, please do well to be a returning subscriber. Share this video to your friends, and do not also forget to use the link in the description, the affiliate link in the description, to get products from me. Hopefully, I'll be dropping videos back to back much more often. I'm Samuel Favor, and yes, I just decided to do this more like a quick one. I'll be hitting you with more videos. I'll see you in my next video, and yeah, peace.